Welcome back. Tamil Sangamam, a platform for poets and writers, will be a part of Chennai Sangamam this year. Poetry reading class sessions and discussions on literary works will be part of the event. Addressing the media, Kanimudi said the 5-day event at the Film Chamber is an attempt to create an interest in poetry and literature.
Tamil Sangamam actually focuses on literature which is not really spoken about in public platforms, and a little more serious literature and poetry and about works and writers.
A young man was hacked to death in MGR Nagar in the early hours of the morning. 3 women who are suspects have already been arrested, whilst 3 men who are also believed to be involved are still on the run.
At 21, Nandini has now been widowed and her 3-month-old daughter is fatherless. For her, it's the beginning of a nightmare she never thought possible.
We can still see the blood stains at the spot. This is the place where the victim was hacked to death by the offender.
Nandini's husband Adi was on a visit to see his friends in the nearby colony early on Monday morning. It's rumored that a simple fight broke out between them, and unfortunately, this ended in a disaster for the 23-year-old.
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுங்க தான் வேறு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுங்களுக்குள்ளே அடிச்சுக்கிச்சிங்க அவ்வளோதான். அதுக்குன்னு கொஞ்சம் சின்னதாக அடிச்சு விட்டு போயிருக்கலாம், வெறியில் அடிச்சு சாவச்சிச்சிங்க.
Adi died as he was being rushed to a local private hospital in nearby Ashok Nagar. His body has since been sent to the Roypeta Government Hospital for a post-mortem. The police who are investigating this crime pin it down to a previous enmity that existed between Adi and his friends.
Board, the death anniversary board வைக்கறாங்கல, அதுல இவங்களுக்கு டிஸ்ப்ளே போர்டு வைக்கிறதுல இவங்களுக்கு தகராறு. ஓகே சார். ஓகே. அப்புறம் தகராறாயி இவங்களுக்குள்ள மனஸ்தாபம் வருது. எல்லாரும் இவங்க கட்சியில் இருக்கறான். ஓகே. இவன் போய் கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி போட்டு கொஞ்சம் கலாட்டா பண்ணான்னு நினைச்சிட்டு.
The victim has been identified as an active member of the VCK, the party that is led by Tol Tirumavalavan. But the police don't see any political angle here. They rather view it as a clash between friends. In Chennai with camera person Sagai Raj and reporter Salim, Jennifer Arul, NDTV Hindu.
Now, Pongal might not taste as sweet as you want it to be this year. The price of jaggery has shot up this festival season, and for the past 3 months there has been a steady increase in prices due to falling sugarcane production.
Jaggery, a key ingredient in the ever-popular sweet pongal, has become more expensive this year, as much as 40% more costly. Although each pongal there is an increased demand for jaggery, this year too it's no different. But less supplies than usual from Salem and Vellore have caused a steep price increase.
இந்த வருஷம் கவர்மெண்ட்ல வெல்லம் கொடுக்கல, பொங்கலுக்கு ஃப்ரீ கொடுக்கல. அதனாலயும் ரெண்டாவது சீனி விலையும் அதிகமானதனால பண்டிகை தேவைக்காக வெல்ல விலை கொஞ்சம் கூடி இருக்கு.
Both retail and wholesale markets have been forced to raise prices, but for consumers, it's all about turning out the sweet delicacy, and even the best cook can't make the mouth-watering pongal without the main ingredient, jaggery.
வெல்லம் போன வருஷம் 40 ரூபாய் இருந்ததுங்க, இந்த வருஷம் 44 ரூபாய் இருக்குது. வெல்லம் இல்லாமல் பொங்கல் எப்படி செய்ய முடியும்? அதனால வெல்லம் வாங்கி தான் தரணும். அதனால வாங்கியிருக்கிறாங்க.
Whilst traders blame the dip in sugarcane production, they expect prices to settle once again when the festival season is through. In Chennai with camera person Kasi Lingam and Avinash Kastura, Jennifer Arul, NDTV Hindu.
All the action from the world of sports coming up on the other side. Stay with us.